equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any dust removal. First, make sure your Dyson SV10 is turned off and unplugged from a charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see a small panel secured with screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the battery. You may notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. It's a good idea to use your clean cloth to wipe away any dirt, ensuring a clean environment for the new battery. Now, you will see the battery connected to the vacuum. To remove it, locate the release tab on the battery. Press down on the tab while gently pulling the battery out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connectors in the compartment. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. After the new battery is installed, replace the panel you removed earlier. Align it properly and secure it with the screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure the panel is flush against the vacuum to avoid any gaps. Once everything is back in place, give your Dyson SV10 a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. It's always good to keep your vacuum looking its best. Now, plug it back in and allow the new battery to charge fully before using it. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. In summary, changing the battery on your Dyson SV10 is a straightforward process that can be done with a few simple tools. By following these steps, you can extend the life of your vacuum and maintain its performance. If you have any doubts or prefer professional help, don't forget that we offer no calls, no travel services, making it convenient for you to get your vacuum back in top shape without leaving your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.